Hi, my name is Mohit Singh, and today we'll be looking at leetcode prompt 1342, number of steps to reduce a number to 0. In this prompt, we've been given an integer num, and we want to return the number of steps to reduce it to 0. So in order to reduce it to 0, we have two conditionals. If the current number is even, we need to divide it by 2, and otherwise we want to subtract 1. And we keep going through this until we reach 0, and we want to return the number of steps we took, so the number of times we had to go through each conditional to get 0. So this prompt has a fairly simple solution. We could set an output variable, or we'll call it count. Count equals 0. Now all we need to do is make a while loop that checks that num, the user input, is greater than 0, and once it's less than, we're going to just return count. So in this while loop, we have our two if statements, or if else statement. So if num modulus 2 equals 0, then we want to do num divide equal 2. Else, we do a num minus equal 1. So basically, if the remainder of num modulus 2, or divide by 2, the remainder is equivalent to 0, as in it's even, we're divided by 2. Otherwise, it has to be odd, so we just subtract it by 1. Once num is equal to 0, then we're just going to return count. So let's try that. Wait. Oh, sorry. We forgot to add to count. So every time we loop through while, we want to add 1 to count, so we're keeping track of how many steps we've taken. Okay. Okay, and it works. So yeah, it's a pretty simple task. There are other ways we could solve it, but this is just the most simple and one of the most, I guess, efficient ways. You could use different methods, but it wouldn't be making it much faster or use less time. Size. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.